Hey guys, another unboxing. This is another Banggood fail. Look at this thing. No protection, nothing. Box is open. Let me open it up and let's see how it is. So I just cut this open. Let's slide this thing out. Here's the accessories box, remote manual. And here it is. This is the ZD Racing Thunder SC10 1/10 scale short course truck. And super surprisingly, this thing looks in decent shape. There's some no cracks, but yeah, just a little to the body. I've seen some reviews that had way more damage, so I guess that's not such a bad thing. But let's open this up. So yeah, sorry, got a little heated. Just not happy with them, and I still don't recommend them. They don't take care of their customers. And doesn't matter how much you purchase, whatever BS level thing that they have. But yeah, not too bad. A little something there, but not a big deal. Yeah, you could see. I don't even know. That was probably from the plug rubbing on it. But yeah, doesn't matter. The rest of this looks clean. So yes, again, it's the ZD Racing 1/10 short course truck. They have other styles of this. I thought this was pretty cool, and I thought this was something that I could bring to the track and beat around on and not worry about too much. They do sell spare bodies for this at a decent price, and yeah, this looks pretty cool. 3300 kV brushless motor. I think this is a 45 amp or 50 amp ESC, but all upgradable and likely will be upgraded. Nice thing is, comes ready to run with the battery. A 2S 2400 milliamp. And let's get back to the accessories box and see what control they came. The one good thing about ZD Racing is that they give you the Dumbo RC transmitter typically, and I do think it's a good one. Great response, great range. Here we go. Yep. And it only takes 4 AA's versus the Fly Sky budget one, which takes 8. And I usually swap that out to my my multi transmitter. Here's the charger. I'm pretty sure it's going to be an EU plug, so be prepared for that. I do like these chargers because it comes with a 2S and a 3S charge port. But here's, oh, very cool. So this one did come with a US adapter. Makes sense for a US shipped product. So I'm happy about that. But I think, oh yeah, here we go. Came with the EU adapter too, which is very cool. I am generally really happy with ZD Racing products. I think they're great value, great bang for the buck, and that's really why I buy so many of them. And they're definitely upgradable, which is really cool. Here's a better shot at this thing, and I'm excited for it. I did want the red and black, and I do have a VRX, the VRX 1/10 short course truck coming. There you go, I found something. You can see it's cracked where the post is. But again, not the worst, especially with how the box came in. But yeah, I do have a VRX 110 short course truck coming. I do believe it's going to be a little bit bigger than this, based on that rare RC VRX that I have. But I like short course trucks and rally cars. That's what really gets me. I know that buggies are probably the highest performing RCs, but there's something awesome about scaling, and this has it. So I'm excited to get this thing out, get some cool running video. But thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to me vent a little bit about Banggood. But I'm wrapping up my last few orders with them, and I'm kind of sick of dealing with them. So I know that you can get the best deals with them, especially if you use the 20% off coupon that I mentioned in my cheap RC sellers video. But sometimes it's not worth it, and it's kind of been frustrating. But thank you for watching, thank you for the support, and please subscribe. Here are some shots of it next to the ZD Racing SC8 and the FY08 from Feiyue, and with the WL Toys A969 short course truck.